Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, sasagutin natin yung mga tanong dun sa unang video ko regarding SSS Employer Registration, which is ang tanong nila is where or how to get the employer ID. So ang answer po is pupunta kayo sa SSS branch, magre-register kayo dun personally. I'm not sure if meron na bang tinatry ko kasi hanapin sa SSS website if merong way para mag-enroll online pero wala ako makita. So, ang advice ko sa inyo and mas mabilis I think is through SSS branch talaga. So, ito lang naman yung isang form na i-fill out nyo. Yan, R1 form. So, andyan yung details nyo. And then, for the requirements, punta lang kayo sa second page. So, for single proprietor, it's Certificate of Registration with the DTI or Business Permit from the City Hall. Kapag corporation naman, approved articles of incorporation lang from SEC. So, ang authorized signatory for single proprietor ay yung owner or in his or her absence daw ay any representative with a valid special power of attorney. For corporation, including non-stock, non-profit corporation, president, chairman, or corporate secretary. So, ganun lang po kasimple. Dadalhin nyo lang po sa SSS branch. And then, sasabit nyo itong mga requirements na to. Fill out nyo yung R1 form. And that's it. Minsan mabilis lang yung process, makukuha nyo na kagad, mabibigyan na kayo kagad ng SSS employer ID, pero minsan siguro depende sa dami ng mga pinaprocess nila during the day. Pag naabutan kayo ng cut-off, pwedeng babalik na lang kayo some other time. Pero once magkaroon na kayo ng SSS employer ID, next step nyo na is yung isang video ko na mag enroll kayo online. So once approved na yung application natin ng employer ID, with SSS, mag-i-issue sila ng Certificate of Registration which looks like this. And nakalagay dyan yung date kung kailan kayo na-register and yung employer number nyo ay nakadisplay din dyan. So, yun lang. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. And if you have any questions, comment nyo lang sa baba and I'll try to answer them sa mga next videos natin. Thank you!